Right, the motor's in, time for its first run. Got our guinea pig, young bloke going to take it for a ride. And the motor is in. We have a whole 6.5 horsepower in there. Good old chonda. And the reason being is that's all that I've got left. Centrifugal wet clutch cum reduction box. Drive coupling onto the input shaft to the gearbox of the tractor. So she's semi-automatic. No need for a clutch pedal. Of course our tyres are on and it's ready for a ride. Now you might be thinking 6.5 horsepower is not very much, and it's not, but we can use gearing to get a lot of torque out of the back wheels. Once he's been for his little test drive, we're going to hook it up to a 2.3 tonne boat and trailer and see how it goes with that on there. We'll see what 6.5 horsepower can do. So we'll fire her up. And you did leave it out of gear, didn't you, Junior? So I don't get run over. Okay. Yeah, she's safe, mate. She's good. Just take her for a lap around the driveway, but don't run into Mum's car. What's that, first gear? Right, smash it in, Junior. They can't fall out, they're all in a box. He's in third cog now. Oh, he's just smashed fourth. Oh dear. And an Aussie redneck tractor, this one. Hello, he's going bush. Now the suspension's not too crash hot on it. It did start life out as an old farmall tractor. It was totally dead. No, let's go backwards. Hey, Junior! Come do some log climbing. What? Come do some log climbing. Yeah. Where you going, Junior? Oh, look her up to the boat, see how we go with this. Okay, we got a 2.3 tonne boat on it, a flat tyre and all, and we'll see how we go with that. Dog just fell over. Come here, dog, you get run over. Oh, the dog wants a ride. There we go. Look at that. .3 tonne, no problem at all. And that's slightly uphill. Dog's going to get run over. Here. Rat bag. Come here, puppy. So there you go. What you can do with 6 horsepower. You've got the right gearing. You stay here, puppy. Here. Here. Come here. Good girl. We've got a flat tyre on this side as well. Take it over there, Junior. Go over third. Smash it in. Oh, crunch it. Oh, well, there you go. Plenty of pull and power in that relic. Anyway, that was our 12-hour project. It was about 12 and a half hours all up. So yeah, a bit more junk thrown together as something that we can use. And quite a talky little machine indeed to pull that boat around like that. Alright guys, we'll see you next project.